Smile, guys. All right, one more. Ready, Mommy? Thumbs up. All right.
Do you want me to push it down more for you?
Yeah, please do for him.
How's that?
Good.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, this might be bad.
Your mind right.
What did he say?
This might be bad.
Okay,
Get your mind
Read
right.
that. Maybe what happened to the end.
You ready?
Alright, now he remembers from last time the video does have audio in it as well.
Oh.
So.
Oh.
You ready for this one?
are we locked in?
Huh?
We're locked in?
Yep. Alright guys, head back. Have fun.
Oh!
That was...
Yeah!
You want to do it again? You want to do it again?
Where are we gonna stop? Can we please stop right now?
No, we're going to do it again.
Oh no, when does it stop? Luke, when does it stop?
It's something right now.
Really?
Yes.
It was fun. Did you have fun?
Yes. I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Okay.
You
Wow.
like it?
I did, Luke. I thought it was awesome.
I don't think you like it. You're going now.
We're doing it again?
No, we're doing balls.
I love you.
Me too.
Hey, kiss, kiss. Come on.
I want to do it again.
You guys like it?
I liked it going up.
Like
I
coming
didn't know
down?
that you flipped all the way down.
Oh, you didn't know that?